stop. If you own Micron, you are trading completely blind. Our AI radar has detected a critical anomaly. We're seeing a massive, plus 1,024% profit growth signal that's just clashing directly with negative price action. This is a system-level contradiction. We are initiating a full deconstruction protocol.
This is AI Stock Radar. We don't guess, we calculate. Today's target is Micron Technology, ticker MU. And just so you know, our analysis date for this run is December 17th, 2025. This is a simulation.
All right, so what's going on here? Our main directive is to deconstruct this divergence. The system is flagging a huge anomaly. And to really get a grip on this glitch, we first have to process the bull signal. You know, the story the market thinks it's reacting to. This is the code driving all the hype.
Okay, so the market narrative, it's operating at maximum power. It looks like Micron has fully engaged its AI hyperdrive. Their high bandwidth memory, which is the absolute lifeblood of AI accelerators, is completely sold out through 2025. They've jettisoned their low-margin consumer brand. They have a critical 30% power efficiency advantage, and get this, as the only US-based memory maker, they hold a geopolitical sovereign premium. I mean, this is an A-grade bull case. And this, right here, perfectly illustrates their strategic pivot. For nearly 29 years, the Crucial brand was stuck in that low-margin, high-volatility consumer space. It was old code. The new directive? Full concentration on high-margin AI infrastructure. They are not just changing their focus, they are literally rewriting their entire operating system for maximum profitability in this AI supercycle.
So it's such a powerful bull signal. Why the price glitch? Why is our radar going off? Well, we're accessing a conflicting data stream. Our system has detected the source of the instability. This is the bear countersignal.
And here it is, the absolute core of the anomaly, distilled down to a single data point, 4.92. This is Micron's price-to-book ratio, and it is flashing red across all of our channels. Our historical analysis shows that a P/B ratio of 5.1 has been the terminal point, the end of the line for past silicon cycles. It's a sell signal with a decade of accuracy, and Micron is trading within just cents of this historical peak.
The system is showing clear signs of overload. First, the valuation is just overheating, and despite their tech, they're still lagging behind competitors in absolute production volume. Then there's the massive capital expenditure required to catch up, which could seriously suppress their cash flow. On top of all that, the entire IT sector is currently in a neutral phase, as the market basically just waits to see who's going to actually make real money from AI.
Now look, a signal like this is pretty meaningless without context. To properly calibrate this target, we have to run a threat assessment against its direct rivals, initiating the competitor matrix analysis now.
And this data, well, it puts the valuation problem in sharp relief. Just look at the price-to-book ratios. At 4.92, Micron is easily the most expensive of the three. SK Hynix, the dominant market leader with phenomenal 47% operating margins, trades at a much lower 3.83. And Samsung? It's a bargain at 1.58. Micron's strategy is excellent, no doubt, but its stock is priced for a level of perfection that even the market leader isn't getting. This is a price range where mistakes simply cannot be tolerated.
So the signals are in a direct conflict. You've got this powerful growth story versus a historically critical overvaluation. A brilliant strategic pivot versus a sector-wide pause. So with these clashing data streams, which outcome has the highest probability? Where does the data vector actually point?
The AI has synthesized all the data points. The bull case, the bear counter signal, the competitive landscape, everything. The probability vector has been calculated. AI radar target lock is engaged.
Final verdict. The probability vector points to a bearish outlook on the current entry point. High volatility risk is confirmed. Now, to be clear, the system classifies Micron as a structural, long-term winner, but this short-term overvaluation glitch, it's undeniable. The risk of a significant price correction based purely on that historical PB ratio is just too high to ignore at this specific price.
Do not let emotions drive your trade. The hype is a powerful signal, for sure, but the valuation is a critical warning. Logic must dictate the execution here. Subscribe to AI Stock Radar for the next detection. Signing off.